In RoadEng version 10, we've added some features to enhance control of sub-windows in your profile. The sizing bar in the middle of the profile window allows you to change the size of the sub-windows, and if you move the size of the main profile, the sub-windows proportionately change. We've added an option to set the height of the profile sub-windows to be a fixed size in millimeters or inches. In this case, the profile moves, but the sub-windows maintain their height. We've also added some controls to sizing each of the sub-windows. Characters was the only option in previous versions of RoadEng. Now we've added fixed length in millimeters or inches. Now that doesn't make too much difference when you're working in the main profile window, but it comes in very handy in the Multiplot. So here you see I've set up the profile window to have a fixed sub-window height, 120 millimeters. And because I've set up my grid to be a 10 meter spacing, it was easy to get the labels here to line up exactly with my sub-windows. And these sub-windows are configured to have a height of 20 millimeters, which is 2 grid tick marks in my grid spacing, so they line up perfectly with the labels. And I can move my profile window or size my profile window, and the sub-window area stays the same, so it lines up perfectly. One more option that is pretty handy, if we go into the options for sub-windows, the mask haul window takes up the bottom of whatever's left over. If I remove that window, I now have an option to set the height automatic. So I'll just click that checkbox, say OK, and it fills the sub-window area with the chosen sub-windows. And of course now I need to move these a little bit, but that's easy because my grid is set up to snap to 10 millimeters, so it just works perfectly. There we go. And again, if I move or size my profile window, they stay exactly filling the bottom of the screen.